Yo, what's up, man? So you really want to see the boys trading station, huh? Alright, check. Alright, I'm gonna show you, but you gotta do one thing for me first. You gotta go ahead, subscribe, right? You gotta subscribe. Someone's calling me. You gotta go subscribe, like, click the bell notification icon, and then I'm gonna show you. Alright. So go ahead, go do it now, nigga. Like, do it now. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna show you. You feel me? This is currently what I got going on. See, we got the boy there, Vussy, Magz. If you don't know who it is, man, I don't know what you're doing with your life. If you want to go ahead and subscribe to his channel too. That's my boy. So the reason why this tour is even starting here is because of this bad boy here. This is where it all started. The first PC that I ever got, like when I started trading, it was this PC. It's a Windows PC. It's a, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a Dell something there, you feel me? That's like when I invested. I decided, no, I need to invest in something that's gonna, you know, improve my trading and analyzing skills. I'll call them analytical skills. I don't know what we call them, but yeah, I wanted to improve on my trading. I wanted to improve on the thing, on my analyzing skills, and I also wanted to be able to go to YouTube and learn all these things like without having to like strictly stick to using my phone for that. So I decided to drop I think it was like 3,500 or so. It wasn't really that expensive. It wasn't expensive, let's just keep it real. So yeah, I went and bought that, but the kicker was that, bruh, it's a Windows at the end of the day. I'm sure, because I was actually watching a YouTuber's video who's also trading, and then they also said like, yo, the Windows laptop, he started with a Windows laptop also, and he said it was very slow. So that's the thing with it. It's super slow, fam. It's super slow. So the only thing it's good for now is, you know, playing pianos. So that's what we keep it for. So I had to definitely change it up. Because I ended up not even using it that much for analyzing stuff. I was using my phone more than that, because I could get things easily done, and hey, the PC would take forever, man. But listen, the video ain't just about that, you feel me? Let's move on to where the magic happens, you feel me? So in my trading thingy, everything happens in my room, you feel me? My trading station is in my bedroom, literally, you feel me? So when you're going in, you need the red light of danger. Be like, XA, you're about to go into, you feel me? You're about to go in the building, the main building, you feel me? So yeah, that's the first thing that I'm gonna, you feel me, explain to y'all. So welcome to my Sukasa is your Sukasa, you feel me? This is my Sukasa is your Sukasa. You see what we got going on down there? It's the Supreme Traders, baby. Every day when I'm asleep, I need to, you know, the first thing I see when I wake up is that logo. It's just like, Supreme, you feel me? So ain't no way, ain't no escaping from this life, baby. It chose me, you feel me? So yeah, that's a little touch I like to have there. What do we got? So this is where the magic happens. So when I said the magic happens in here earlier, I wasn't talking about this part, I was talking actually about here, you feel me? Okay. So the current setup that we have, right? The ring light, so I can make videos for y'all, and this is actually how it goes down, right? I got this chair here. It's just a simple chair, office chair, and a simple desk there to keep my things in order, you feel me? So how this goes down now, because I'm actually sitting on the chair, right? How this goes down is like, it's how you're seeing me now. Most of my videos are like taken from this angle. So I have the ring light, and then my thing is there, the camera is there that I'm using, you feel me? So besides that now, because that's where I put the PC, what do we got? We got the laptop. I told you guys, I already spoke about the ring light. I mean, cups just for control, you know what it is, right? So we have the PC there, and you already know what's running, charts, so I can just wake up anytime, right? anytime I can just wake up, roll over, and then, you know, go to work straight. I don't need to do all those other things and whatever. I just want to go straight to business when I need to, right? So the other things that I have here, I'm struggling with lights. Forgive me a little bit, guys. I got the water there because why do we have a water here? Because you need a water and to mind your own business, you feel me? So the water helps me mind my own business. You gotta smell good, you know. You gotta smell good, ladies and gentlemen. Some Vaseline, because hey, you don't want crusty lips when you're doing this YouTube thing. Some green tea, what, you know, these things. Just, you know, to keep a healthy mind, man. You feel me? So one of the things I have here, which is actually quite important, let me just move this away. You know, gotta stay ready with the pen and stuff. So one of the things I have here, the newspapers, the newspapers, I'm sure you guys are gonna start dissing me, thinking I'm an old head, but there's actually a story behind why I read newspapers, right? So one of the hobbies I took from my late dad, you feel me? He used to read a lot of newspapers, like daily. He'd be sending me out to go buy a newspaper even when it was raining. I'm like, this nigga. So because of that, or because of like what I saw from him and stuff like that, and looking up to your dad, you know, obviously you're gonna take some habits. So I started reading a lot and stuff like that, and I just enjoy reading the newspaper. So, you know, I don't know, I just enjoy it, fam. There's nothing I can say about that, you feel me? So below the newspapers now, we got the Japanese candlestick charting techniques. Hey man, I got this from a very good friend of mine. I got this from a very good friend of mine, and just like, you know, about the candlesticks, like they have a lot of like knowledge behind them. There's a lot you can take from candlesticks and reversal patterns, all these things, continuation patterns. So whenever I'm talking about stuff on my videos and stuff like that, I'm talking about things I literally practice. And you know, I haven't gone through the whole thing, I won't lie, but I only go through like, because remember, a strategy won't involve everything like moving averages and stuff like that. So when I'm using it, I go to my specific areas where I wanna, you know, improve on or get some clarity and stuff like that. I think of it as a Bible. No one's reading the Bible from the beginning to the end. You only go to that zone where you wanna, you know it's gonna hit the spot, and then you chill. Then you go to another area. It's just like that. So besides that, just gonna put these back. You feel me? Just gonna put this back. Then now we got the trading journal. You feel me? We got the trading journal here. Hey man, with the trading journal, I don't know what I can say, man. Because if you don't have this and you call yourself a trader, Joe, you're not doing the right things. Because you see here, it says Mr. Supreme. Mr. Supreme, what's going on? You know what's up. All the goals are there. All the, you feel me? Everything I'm looking at, the watch lists, all my watch list videos would come from these things and stuff like that. Everything I'm watching, you know, it's stuff like that, you know, that you gotta look at and stuff like that. This has everything from this has everything, my stuff and stuff like that. But it's only one of the things that I have of the, it's only one of the what you call trading journals that I have, because I also have like old ones and stuff like that, you feel me? So here, Joe, we just have a bunch of kicks in Yana, but these two bad boys are basically what's been on my heavy rotation now. Because the white ones, that's what I use when I go to the gym, and then the black ones, these are just for, it's kind of semi-casual stuff, you know. You want to look like a crook man, you don't want to just wear sneakers all the time. So these ones are comfortable also for driving. So that's like my heavy rotation right now, you feel me? And since I'm making this video, it's a Friday, you feel me? So don't be surprised when you see a fit laid out there, you feel me? It's actually because it's Friday and I'm supposed to go out soon.
A few moments later.
Actually, after filming this video, I'm going out, so you might see this video this weekend or something. I really don't know, fam, right? So what do I have in here? Just want to show you what I have in here. This is like a little closet thing, but the light is messed up, you feel me? The light is messed up. I don't think, okay, there's another trading journal. This is actually why I'm here. There's another trading journal, but this one, you see, it's way messed up. And what the hell is this? Damn, son. That's actually me and my cousins, you feel me? It's just me and my cousins. Nothing to see here. It's just the boy and his cousins. So yeah, this is actually another trading journal that I used to use before all this stuff, you feel me? This was the trading journal, but I didn't actually use a lot of things. I only used the front and the back, you feel me? There's actually stuff in there, but I just don't wanna, go deeper into that. So okay, we got some cakes also down there. This is actually just a tour of just like my whole room and stuff like that. I think we just got some cakes there. Some, when I'm doing the courses, the classes, you gotta wear something nice, formal, to show that, yeah, man, we got this thing in the bag. Some Jordans down here, and I actually need this bad boys for tonight. You feel me? I actually need this bad boys for tonight, so I think they'll do. You feel me? Let's go check. What else is there? There's just some more cakes. Hey. I think this will do though. You feel me? I think this will do. I can see the whole vision now. You feel me? Someone's calling, but hey, we are busy. So basically what I wanted to share with you this video today is because why I wanted to share this video with y'all today. Actually, yeah, let's set it up like this. So basically why I'm sharing this video with y'all today is because this is not where I started. I'm living like, I wouldn't say I'm living a crazy life or whatever, but I can say I'm living comfortably where I'm at right now. It wasn't always the case, you feel me? I had to start somewhere, and it didn't always look as bright. Sometimes there were times when I didn't sleep. There were times where I was even depressed, like along this whole journey that I decided I was gonna handle. So there were times where I was depressed. There was times I lost weight. There were times I wasn't even eating. There were times I wasn't eating because there actually wasn't any food in the crib. You feel me? So it's just crazy the things you gotta go through. Like once you say, like, you give that energy to the universe that you know what you want in life, and you're willing to do whatever it takes. I feel like you're gonna get tested a lot, and I read every single comment from y'all. I read it, you feel me? So I know what you're going through, fam, and we're all going through the same thing, you feel me? We're all going through the same thing. That's why I use the word fam a lot in my videos, because we're all a fam, you feel me? We're all a fam, and we're gonna go through this. We're gonna ride it out until we get to where we want to get. So yeah, I hope this video you didn't take it the wrong way. It was just for fun, and to also show you guys what's up, and to just motivate and show that, listen, we are doing this in life, you feel me? And you just need to stay focused. And I'm trying to be a motivational speaker in this one. I don't know, but yeah, I appreciate it if you're still watching the video till here. It's your boy Vussy Magz. Fam, we are fam. We got you. Got y'all. You got me. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys at the next one. Alright, peace out.